Number 34. If the focus of the parabola y squared plus 6y plus 4x plus 21 equals 0 is a comma b, then a plus b equals what? So to solve this, we are going to put this into the conic form of a parabola, and that will give us the information we need to find the focus. So since we have a y squared term here, we know that this is going to be a left or right facing parabola. So we're going to get it into the form of y minus k squared equals 4p times x minus h. And this is the conic form of a parabola for a sideways facing parabola, for a left or right facing. So let's see what we can do here. I'm just going to get all of our y's on one side and all of our x's on one side and see what we can do then. So let's see, we have y squared plus 6y equals negative 4x minus 21. So if I complete the square on the left-hand side, so we can have this y minus k squared, I have to add 9 to both sides. Remember, I divide the y coefficient and then square it, divide it by 2 and then square it. So y squared plus 6y plus 9 would equal negative 4x, and then negative 21 plus 9 is negative 12. So then if I factor this on the right-hand side, we get y plus 3 squared equals negative 4 times x plus 3. So from our standard form, h comma k is going to be the vertex of our parabola. So it looks like our vertex is going to be at negative 3, negative 3. And also, since this is a negative 4, since there's a negative in front of our x, we know that our parabola is going to face to the left. So if these are our axes, and negative 3 is our vertex, then this negative tells us that it's going to face in this direction. So what this 4p means then is that p is the distance from our vertex to our focus. So if our focus is right here, then the distance from our focus to our vertex, this length right here, this is p. And so if 4p equals negative 4, then p equals negative 1. And so we can just take the distance as 1. The negative just implies the distance is to the left. And so if p is negative 1, then this distance is 1. And if the vertex is negative 3, and we move that 1 to the left, that tells us that the focus is at negative 4, negative 3. And the sum of those two numbers, which is what they're asking for, finding a plus b, is negative 4 plus negative 3, which is negative 7. There's also a way you can do this on your calculator, on your TI Inspire. If you go to your graph page, or you make a graph page, and you go to Menu, Graph Entry, Relation, you can type in this equation, so y squared plus 6y plus y squared plus 6y plus 4x plus 21 equals 0. So we get a parabola that looks roughly like the one I sketched, maybe not perfect, but you know. So next you go to Analyze Graph, and then Analyze Conics, and then you see at number 3 we have the foci. So you click on that, and you hover over your parabola, and you see we get negative 4, comma, negative 3, and so that kind of verifies your answer from before, and you can use that to just verify your answer. So negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7, and that's answer choice A. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment, and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.